Welcome to another edition of the AMSAT Newsreel. Dayton Hamvention 2005 saw thousands of amateur radio operators from around the world gather to exchange their enjoyment of the hobby, purchase new equipment, and search for that hidden gem among the hundreds of flea market booths. AMSAT was there with our traditional booth, featuring AMSAT products and educational publications. Old friends and new stop by to sign up or renew their memberships, meet AMSAT officials, and discuss future Eagle plans. Friday evening included our traditional annual dinner at the Amber Rose restaurant, with featured speaker Dr. Tony England, one of the true pioneers in using amateur radio on human spaceflight. Saturday morning opened with the AMSAT Forums, including updates on the AMSAT mission and vision, presented by AMSAT President Rick Hambley.
Well, this is my first year as President of AMSAT in front of the Dayton audience, and I'm honored to be here. I'm going to take this opportunity this morning to tell you a little bit about AMSAT as it transitions into a new and better organization. What we're doing to make that happen, what our current status of satellites are, and what's next.
As well as a status report by Jim Sanford, Eagle Project Director.
Good morning, I'm Jim, WB4GCS. I'm going to try to move quickly. This is our vision. Rick has already talked about it. This is what we're about. Continuous high Earth orbit coverage on an analog or digital bird every day in the near term, all the time in the long term.
We also received an update on SETI Express from Sam Jewell, AMSAT United
Thank you,
Kingdom.
Barry. I would also like to thank AMSAT NA for the opportunity to tell you about SETI Express this morning.
As well as a status report from Frank Bauer on the activities and new upcoming features of ARIS.
Thank you, Barry, and good morning, everyone. I'm going to talk about where we are in the human spaceflight arena. We've got a lot that's happened in the past year, and we've got a lot and an exciting future here.
In 5 minutes, FO29 is going to come up, and then 10 minutes later, AO51 will come up. So we'll work both of those.
Throughout Hamvention 05, AMSAT volunteers provided satellite demonstrations, including single sideband on FO29, and AMSAT's new AO51, which operated in the VS mode, which gave everyone a chance to see just how simple it is to implement and use the S-band downlink. Let's read the mail.
CQ FO29 from Kilo Oscar 4 Mike Alpha at Dayton Hamvention, Dayton, Ohio. Kiorza. CQ FO29 from KO4MA, Kilo Oscar 4 Mike Alpha, CQ FO29 from the Dayton Hamvention demos, over.
Man, we can remember it's been cool and wet all month. Okay, 7-3, Victory Echo 2 Delta with Echo standing by.
VE2 DWE from Kilo Oscar 4 Mike Alpha to Dayton Hamvention, over.
QSL, the station, the AMSAT Victory Echo 2 Delta with Echo. Name is Luke, and at 10:36 I missed your call sign. Join that again, please.
QSL, Luke, this is Drew, Kilo Oscar 4 Mike Alpha, KO4MA, and we're doing a demonstration here at Dayton for about 30 or 40 people, over.
QSL, Kilo Oscar 4 Mike Alpha, Victory Echo 2 Delta with Echo. Okay, Drew, fine. Say hello to all the people there in the Hamvention. Very well absorbed this year. 7-3, very good signal in near Montreal. About 5 by 8, 5 by 9, 5 by 8, 5 by 9 here. Back to you, Drew. KO4MA WE.
VE2 DWE from KO4MA. We really appreciate the contact, Luke. We're working 5 watts on the uplink with an arrow, over.
Fine. I think the signal is terrible right now. 60 over here. 7-3, enjoy the Hamvention group.
7-3, Luke, KO4MA, Dayton Hamvention.
Dayton Hamvention, a tradition that AMSAT is always eager to be a part of. We hope to see you there next year. And be sure to join us in Lafayette, Louisiana in October for the 2005 AMSAT Symposium.
The first weekend in October, we're going to have our annual symposium in Lafayette, Louisiana. Silicon Bayou, if you believe the Chamber of Commerce. I'm getting a lot of questions. Where's Lafayette? It's 100 miles west of New Orleans or 200 miles east of Houston. How do you get there? Continental, Delta, Northwest, Cajun Airlines. You got a problem. 3 of those carriers fly jets today. Wasn't so last year. We invite you down. We're going to have a great conference. Going to have some fantastic lectures, a lot of fellowship, great food, swamp tours, and come enjoy our joie de vivre.
Videos of the individual forum presentations are available for your viewing as separate downloads on the AMSAT newsreel page of the website. And that's an AMSAT newsreel.